Hello everyone, I am Rekha Jatana. I welcome you all in English class for 11th. Today I am going to discuss with you the story of The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse by William Sarion. As I told you earlier that the story is about two Armenian boys, Aram and Murad, who belong to the Garoglanian family. Let's talk something about the author. William Douglas was born on 31st August 1908 in Fresno, California, United States, and he died on 18th May 1981 in Fresno, California in United States. William Sarion was an American novelist, playwright and short story writer. He was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for Drama in 1940 and in 1943 won the Academy Award for Best Story for the film adaptation of his novel The Human Comedy. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse is narrated by 9-year-old Aram Garoglanian, a member of an American community living among the lush fruit orchards and vineyards of California. One morning, Aram is awakened before dawn by his older cousin Murad, who everyone thinks is crazy. Aram is astonished to see that Murad is sitting on a beautiful white horse. Aram has always wanted to ride a horse, but his family is too poor to afford one. However, the Garoglanian family is noted not only for its poverty but also for its honesty. So, it is unthinkable that Murad could have stolen the horse. Nevertheless, Aram asks Murad if he has stolen the horse, and Murad invites him to jump out of the window for horse riding. Now Aram is sure that Murad has stolen the horse, but he jumps up behind Murad and the two of them begin to ride out of the little town in which they live. As they ride, Murad begins to sing. When they reach the open country, Aram wants to ride the horse by himself. But Murad reminds him that it is up to the horse. Murad can ride because he says, I have a way with the horse. When Aram rides the horse, he cannot control the animal and it throws him. The two boys find the runaway horse, hide him in an abandoned barn, and go to home. After horse riding, when Aram goes back to his home, he sees that Uncle Khosrow comes to Aram's house to smoke cigarettes and drink coffee. John Byro, an Assyrian farmer who also comes by for a visit and complains that his white horse has been stolen. Uncle Khosrow roars, pay no attention to it, it's no harm. John Byro says that he walked 10 miles to get to Aram's house, causing pains in his legs, and Uncle Khosrow again bellows that he should pay no attention to it as it is no harm. John Byrow points out that he paid $60 for the horse, and Uncle Khosrow shouts, "I spit on money." John Byrow stalks out of the house. As soon as Aram comes to know about the stolen horse, he runs to his cousin Murad's house and finds him fixing the wing of a hurt bird. His cousin Murad has a way with birds. Aram explains that John Byrow visited and tells him that John Byrow wants his horse back. He also reminds Murad that Murad had promised to keep the horse until Aram could learn how to ride. Murad says that it might take a year for Aram to learn how to ride. So Aram suggests that they can keep the horse for a year. Murad roars that the horse must go back to his owner and that no Garoglanian could ever steal. He says that they will keep the horse for only another 6 months. For 2 weeks, the boys take the horse out in the morning for rides, and every morning Aram is thrown. But he never gives up hope that he will learn to ride like his cousin. One morning, the boys meet John Byrow as they are putting the horse away. Murad explains that he will handle the situation as he has a way with farmers. John Byrow asks the name of the horse, and Murad tells him that it is My Heart. The farmer says that he looks exactly like the horse that was stolen from him, and after inspecting the horse's teeth, says that the boy's horse could be his horse twin. The next morning, the boys return the horse to John Byrow's barn. The farmer's dogs do not bother them because cousin Murad has a way with dogs. He presses his nose against the horse's nose and the boys leave. That afternoon, John Byrow goes to Aram's house in his surrey to show Aram's mother that the horse that has been returned. He says that the horse is stronger and better tempered than ever. Uncle Khosrow shouts once again, "Your horse has been returned and pay no attention to it. It's no harm." Thank you very much for listening.